To customize status bar in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here enter notifications and quick settings. Now we can go for a status bar, and that way you'll be able to adjust all of the settings for it. First thing is notification icons. You can change how notification icons will appear in your status bar with their own app icons, with only numbers of how many notifications are waiting for you, or you can do not show any info whatsoever. Then we can go for a battery style and change it to the horizontal, vertical, loop, or do not show battery percentage at all. Next thing is the battery icon, the battery percentage, and we can show it to the right of our battery, inside the battery, or do not show it at all. Then there's the status bar icons, so you can enable or disable any icons in your status bar if you don't want to see them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.